I am so insanely bullish on Robinhood meme coins, and there's no other chain that I'm quite as bullish on as Robinhood, and that is for good reason. Robinhood has not had a prior bull run before, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some Robinhood meme coins that I think are worth holding in your portfolio. Now, guys, keep in mind that we are also getting very close to the Q4 bottom, which I have been calling for a really long time. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. So stay until the end. And if you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. Now, with that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. One thing I did want to show and kind of share with you guys was this first post from Benjamin Cowan over here, right? So this was, it's pertaining to Q4 of last year in 2025, when everyone was saying, is expecting for a Bitcoin top to happen in Q4. Myself included, right? I was saying that Bitcoin is going to peak in Q4, and that is exactly what happened. So you can see here, everyone is expecting Bitcoin to top in Q4, so it won't happen. Then it happened as always. This year, everyone is expecting Bitcoin to bottom in Q4, so it won't happen. Feel free to join the Mental Gymnastics Club that meets on this platform, but my membership expired long ago. So one thing to understand, guys, is, there is a time to be contrarian. There is a time to be contrarian. And that simply just means you are believing, the opposite of what is popular or mainstream. And it seems like, I've been contrarian for a long time right now. I've been contrarian. I've been saying that, I don't think Bitcoin is going to bottom. I don't think the Bitcoin bottom has come in yet, because a lot of people, especially during February, were saying that the Bitcoin bottom has come in and now we're in altcoin season. We're going to pump. And I said each and every time that I just don't think that is the case. And I feel like up until now, I've been right. Now, the reason Robinhood meme coins right now are so hot, and the reason that getting into them, I believe, is going to pay you out in dividends in the following months, in the following years, is because you are buying Robinhood meme coins very close to a Bitcoin low for the bear market. So when the market recovers, those meme coins that you're getting into are going to do really well. Now, obviously, guys, one of those plays that I think is just one in a million. One of those plays that I think is going to hold a pretty good spot at being a top contender in the Robinhood meme coin space is the What If token. This thing ran from lows. We were covering it right at lows around $6 million market cap. And it ran up all the way to 15 million or even as high as 20 million as of recently, now back down to 12 million. And I genuinely believe that this is a 100 million plus runner. It may not happen within the next couple weeks. It may not happen within the next couple months, but I'm telling you, within the next couple, when the bull market really starts to come in, this thing is easily going to run past $1 billion if it continues to do what it's doing. You can see from its from about July 20th, it ran all the way up to 35 million and then had a crazy crash all the way down to, I want to say this was around, crashed all the way down to about 4 million, 5 million. That was like the local low, right? Got as low as that, which is crazy, 4.7 million. And then look at the price action it's been having recently. There is so much volume. There is so much bullishness behind this project that the people just refuse to let this thing go down. Now, one thing I will say is it ran up to 20 million. If you guys missed that pump, it is now back down literally over 50%, okay? Now sitting at 11.6 million. If that is something that you want to get into, honestly, listen, I think it's a pretty solid play. And obviously, one of the biggest people that I think CTO'd this project kind of was excuse me, Crypto Archie over there, targeting around 75 million on this next move up for if, based off this cup and handle. And if that is the case, that would be amazing. 91K if burnt in the last 24 hours. Now you can see here, supply going proof, another day, another pile of what if retired for good. 36,700 if toasted in the last 24 hours, 91 million if gone forever, which is the equivalent of $1.45 million and roughly 9.15% of original supply. The fire is doing the work. You absolutely love to see it, guys. And again, just imagine they keep doing this. This meme coin is genuinely going to be such a massive one in the next couple months. And guys, another project that I just can't leave out is I feel like what the Robinhood mascot really and truly is going to end up becoming. We've heard of Cash Cow. We know it's done really well. And I honestly, right? Listen, hear me out. Cash Cow genuinely is probably going to be $1 billion runner. But this project over here, Robinhood Fox, is still super early because we were talking about this inside of our Discord. We got into this thing at $600,000 market cap and we ran with it all the way up until 3 million. We also sold, we took profits, and then look, this thing crashed all the way down to 300,000. Okay. And then, you know, it could have been easy to write them off. $270,000 market cap. It could have been very easy to write them off, but look what they did next. A massive pump towards $2.3 million, which is showing you guys signs of strength, which is showing you guys why you should not mark them off. And that is a project that I really like. And if they continue with this momentum, if they continue pushing forward with this type of authority, I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if this crosses over $10 million within this year. Absolutely love to see. And again, coverage over on X as well. You can see insane progress from Fox. 1 month of grinding and it's almost back to all-time highs. This looks like the next giga sender on Robinhood Chain. All Robinhood chains that have been broken these levels teleport straight to 10 million plus, and I believe Fox is positioned to be the next major Robinhood chain runner as the mascot of the chain. Push this thing higher. Listen, guys, I think this is a solid project, and I think it definitely deserves your attention. And one of my favorite plays, the lowest market cap play that we have on this list right now is, guys, Good in the Hood. This one sitting at just under $400,000 market cap. Again, what a recovery, right? This thing ran up to 440K, back down to 150K, and now with a nice pump, worked its way back up to almost $400,000 market cap. Now, you love to see when small projects like this, guys, are actually trending in the right direction, right? Because a lot of the times what happens is we see the initial run up, we see the sell off, and then we see the team leave. But this is the same team that is behind the Midas project, which ran up very close to $10 million market cap on Base Chain during Base's all-time high run, during Bitcoin's all-time high. So imagine getting into a project led by the same community, the same team, the same backing, the same work ethic, and now it's launching in a bear market, and we're about to go into a bull market within the next couple months. Can you imagine what this thing could run up to? And because of that, I'm insanely bullish on Good in the Hood. Not just that, guys, they also did it's now live on BitGet Wallet, which again, you love to see. They're also doing a bunch of different giveaways and announcements and collaborations to give away back to the community, which is the trait of a really good project. Let me just make sure that this video doesn't get me a copyright strike once again. But yeah, guys, where Good in the Hood is sitting at right now, I think it is severely undervalued. And again, there's so much Robinhood plays that are coming out right now. I mean, just look, right? You have random ones. So obviously, I'm not endorsing any of these, but I'm saying, guys, Robinhood meme coins are going to make you guys a lot of money. So try to get in, try to play around with them, because there is going to be a time where these are probably going to be worth hundreds, maybe tens of millions of dollars. And if you guys want to know exactly where to go ahead and do that, you need to be a part of the inner circle. This is my private Discord group where you get access to my buy and sell calls. You get access to exclusive content that you cannot find anywhere else, guys. And listen, there's people in there that have made 20K in a month, 25K in 2 months. I've flipped $100 accounts into $10,000 accounts. We've made a crushing in the past couple days. We called a play, guys, that did a 2x just the other day. We called a play that did a 65x. We called a play that did a 2x. And look, I will get these screenshots up for you guys, but listen, I just don't edit after. I just record and then go live. So I have to pull it up and manually show you guys. But with that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, as it does help out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.